Snow fell in New England in June and Europe's skies stayed dark for months, because of a single volcanic eruption in Indonesia. In 1815, Mount Tambora exploded with a force so powerful it blasted 36 cubic miles of rock into the atmosphere, making it the most violent eruption in recorded history. The ash cloud circled the globe, blocking sunlight and sending global temperatures plunging. Farmers watched in horror as frost killed their crops in midsummer, and rivers froze over during what should have been the warmest months of the year. This disaster triggered food shortages and riots from China to North America, as entire communities starved or fled in search of something to eat. Horses died, making transportation impossible, and desperate people even ate grass to survive. All of this chaos was caused by a volcano on the other side of the world, proof that one event in a remote place can change the planet for everyone, almost overnight.